test on the furnace on the upper and lower portions of the home. So we'll take our little infrared gun. We'll check here at the return. Check the temperature. Then this home has floor registers. It's really common to see these registers picked up and see debris down all the vents, which is allergens. And it's normally pet hair and dust where people have swept it down. But keeping your ductwork clean is vital when you have allergy problems. And there are different services offered for cleaning ductwork. This home has a gas fireplace that's been completely sealed off. Anytime you have a fireplace that's been sealed off, we recommend that it be further evaluated by a chimney sweep to make sure there's no issues with it and that the gas has actually been turned off to the logs. And we have a radon test running for a 48-hour period to check for a naturally occurring gas in the home.